somewhere around 7:30. Update on the Box Canyon fire. This is going to be short because the phone is almost out of battery, but it is burning over there on the mountain. So that's near Box Canyon. Let me just back out a little and show you where we are. Over here are the main Santa Rita peaks, and then just, I don't know, 6-8 miles to the north, the Box Canyon Wildfire. It's really burning. It's pretty bad. There are not much in the way of roads up in there. There are some homes and things. Some people have been evacuated, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, that's going to be really tough to get under control. And the wind is really supposed to pick up tomorrow with sustained winds between 15 and 25 and gusts of 40. So if they don't get this thing kind of under control tonight, they're going to have a really bad time tomorrow. I can't believe how bright that is over there burning on the mountain. I mean, it is a wildfire called the Box Canyon Wildfire. 7 fire departments are working on it. 12 people have been evacuated. Highway 83, parts of it are closed overnight. And last we heard on the 5 o'clock news, it was only 5% contained. So anyhow, just wanted you to get an update on this. And hope to God they get it under control tonight. We'll let you know what happens tomorrow. Take care.